Yes. You can reuse the water jug and funnel after cleaning a drain line if you clean them properly and avoid using them for food or drinking water tasks. Start by rinsing both items immediately to remove visible debris. Wash them with hot soapy water for at least 20 seconds, scrubbing all surfaces including spouts and screw threads with a brush or cloth to dislodge trapped grime. Follow with a dilute bleach solution made by mixing 1 tablespoon of unscented household bleach into 1 quart of water and let the parts sit for 1 minute, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. This reduces bacterial load. If bleach is not available, use a solution of white vinegar and hot water, though it is less effective against some pathogens. Dry both pieces completely in open air or with a disposable towel. Moisture encourages bacterial growth. Finally, reserve those cleaned items for non-potable tasks, such as washing tools, flushing toilets, or applying cleaning solutions, and mark them with bright tape or a permanent marker, so they are never mistaken for food or drink use. Common mistakes include assuming a quick rinse is sufficient, which leaves residual bacteria and organic matter that can grow over time. Fix that by performing the full hot soapy wash, disinfecting step, and complete drying. A second issue is cross-use for potable tasks despite cleaning. Prevent that by clearly labeling the jug and funnel and storing them separately from kitchenware. A third concern is using harsh chemicals without proper rinsing, which can be hazardous on surfaces or if later used near pets or plants. Avoid this by rinsing thoroughly after disinfection and choosing milder disinfectants when appropriate. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover project ideas we can trust from community feedback. We also help contractors find local leads and join our discussion community where members share real experiences and practical tips.